We're not wearing your ring, Sean?
Because I'm single.
Look at Sean ring, yeah. Sean decided not to wear his ring. Hey people, welcome to another vlog. So I'm SK. If you are new here, be sure to hit the thumbs up button, comment down below, and subscribe if you're new to the channel. So guys, today is actually a nice chilled day out. Actually, Sean is my husband. If you're new here, he's getting his hair done, so he's at the barber. And ShéKayla, my beautiful daughter, she's actually getting her hair done as well. I did my hair last week, so yeah, I don't need to get my hair done, so I'm just kind of like hanging out for the first time. I don't even have River with me, y'all. Look, there is no baby. Let's do a complete spin. There is no baby. He's with daddy. He's with his dad, y'all. Just here by the cash machine. Sean sent me to get some cash off because the barbers don't take card, so yeah, so that's what I'm doing. And I don't know what we're gonna do after. I was suggesting us to go to, I suggested to Sean that we can probably go to Virginia Water Park or something, just for a nice little stroll, because today I actually feel nice. What did I do this morning? It's like midday now. Well, it's past midday. Oh, I actually got up this morning and I baked, I don't know, in Anguilla we call them Johnny cakes. Well, I don't know, like rolls, baked bread rolls. I don't know what they are, but we call them Johnny cakes. I baked those this morning. It has been so long since I've done it. So it's like cornmeal and flour and stuff like that. And you know, so that's what I did for the family for breakfast. Well, no, actually we had that around lunchtime because guys, we were so tired. Everybody just kind of had like we had a very long line, you know, because all week we just been getting up super early. You know, our routine just has been that I might do like a daily routine, like a morning routine for you guys, or like a daily vlog showing you guys how our mornings are, so you can comment down below if you want to see that. Yeah, because it's been very hectic. We've been waking up very early in the morning, so has River, and we all sort of fall into this new routine, you know, like with Sean working and stuff like that, and just me adjusting in general, because it's a huge adjustment for me too, you know, like I said before, it's like a huge adjustment because I don't have Sean anymore. But yeah, if you guys missed that, you can probably go and watch the previous video where I was trying to explain just how I feel about, you know, just kind of like being alone, like without Sean, like him being at work and we're not being able to communicate with each other like we used to throughout the day and stuff like that. So yeah, I'm just here in front of Greg's though. I'm gonna see if I can get a drink or something. You know what, let me just go and check ShéKayla, because Sean is not gonna finish for now. I feel like barbers take forever. I've been watching them, you know, they're like I think when like with women, they wash our hair so quick and putting our cornrows in soap and blow out and all sorts, but with barbers they're like so precise with the little cuts and the chick. It's like so crazy. So yeah, I'm in the salon, just gonna see how far along ShéKayla is, because I don't know how far along she is.
And I'm here as well.
Oh gosh. He looks so... You bored? I thought you doing your reasonable way yet, man. You'll be here forever. Sean is doing his hair. I know. Huh? You want a drink? Yeah. Okay, come. I'll come get a drink. It's what I do, mommy. I have to vlog. Oh gosh. I don't even know how I look. I'm using this GoPro, right? And I hate that I can't see myself because it doesn't have a screen. So I'm like winging it right now. Hopefully I don't look like a hot mess and it's not like this super high definition showing up all my little, you know, stuff that I want showing up in my face, like all the little holes and pimples and, you know, yeah. Oh, ShéKayla looking like a mad, look like a polar bear. Yeah, ShéKayla, here's a hot mess. Today, you don't even need this today. So outside feels so nice, but I guess because it has like the hood, she wanna like hide. Her hair is a big mess. So yeah, the hairdresser just said that they're running late. So she ain't starting nothing yet. You've been in there for like an hour, isn't it?
More than an hour.
Dang.
Because I watched almost 3 episodes, and every episode is 42 minutes.
Oh wow. Yeah, so we're here by Greg's. I'm gonna get a Coke. You're gonna get Diet Coke? Thank you. You too, thank you. Got me Coke. Alright, ShéKayla. This is where we part ways. Ah! Jesus Christ. Jeez. Look at these damn pigeons, man. Let's buzz back in.
Please wait.
Yeah, they have to buzz me back in. So you just can't walk it. Thank you. Yeah, so I'm going back up now. This is like a really, really old building. Really old. It's like Timbuktu. There's a lot of stairs and there's no lift. So we had to walk all these up these stairs to the river in this car seat thingy, this stroller. Oh my gosh, we had to take him out. But anyhow, guys, when I finish, we're gonna pick back up the vlog. You know, I gotta show y'all Sean's sexy haircut. And that's ShéKayla hairstyle. ShéKayla gets the same thing all the time, box braids. This is not a
Because that's true. Because
that's not.
it's not true.
I don't care. The vlog starting on. The vlog start. Me and Sean just have a little minor disagreement. Anyhow, I tell the people that I was gonna show off your new cut. Hold on, they them can't see us so good. Let me see. Kind of dark in here, huh? Can y'all see Sean? I will need more light. Let's wait until we reach over in the light, because them part here dark. They need to knock down this mall, you know. Yes, yes. Sean, people look at my sexy husband. I tell them I'm gonna show him Sean's sexy cut. Sean, this is the sharpest cut you ever get.
You're right. About sharper cuts.
No, for real, look at that. Oh my gosh, Sean, that's sharp and nice. I'm not gonna lie.
It is sharp, but it's not the sharpest cut.
Well, it's the sharpest I've ever seen, really.
In a while.
Okay, I'll give you that. In a while. So yeah, people. Right now we're just gonna go. I need to go and get a couple of stuff for River. So. Oh, who's that? Oh, hi. I'm like looking like, who is that? Ah, okay. What's your name? I don't. From Anguilla? I never saw you before though. Oh. Yeah, he's sleeping in Sean.
Hey, how you doing? How you doing?
Oh, you're awake? Oh, hi. I woke him up.
Just woke up.
Yeah. River, someone say hello. Alright. Ah? I know you think now, yeah? I do know you. You know me too. Yeah. Yeah. My father from Jamaica. Jamaica, yeah. Yeah.
From a little girl.
Yes, I'm a little girl. Huh? She by the hairdresser. She getting her hair done, yeah. This is my husband.
Sean.
Sean, yeah. No, he's Jamaican. Yeah. She's from Blowing Point. That's where I'm from in Anguilla anyways.
Oh.
Sean never been to Anguilla, so but he will be soon.
I see you.
Alright, same. See ya.
Take care.
Yeah, people, so I'm actually going to Primark. I was just speaking to some people that, you know, it's like, this is like the second, is it the second time, Sean?
Huh?
Is it the second time? We buck up on people that we don't know. Somebody recognized me from the vlogs, yeah.
Second time, third
Second
time.
time. Oh, third time. Was that for real, Sean?
I keep saying yes. I went to the clinic and the lady was like, hey, I recognize the voice, yes. I'll tell you the story already.
Yeah, okay, so I went to the clinic, right? And our local clinic. And then he telling me that this nurse, she's a nurse?
I don't know.
She works at the clinic, but she hears Sean's voice. Is it still recording, babe? So she recognized Sean's voice. Sean's voice, you know. Not the face, you know. She heard his voice. And then when she came out and said, Sean?
Yes.
I mean, I did not believe him. I guess it's true now because he keeps saying it. I was like, yeah, right. And then I heard him telling ShéKayla when I was in the bathroom, and I was like, maybe he is telling the truth then. Like, so this is the third time for you. So that lady that I just met, she said she watches the vlog. Big up yourself if you're watching this vlog. and I think she said she's from Anguilla, but I don't know her. I don't recognize her, but I recognize the lady that's next to her, so that's who I was talking to. Yeah, because I recognize her, and she said she didn't recognize me. I mean, it's been a few times that she see me and tell me she didn't recognize me, but I guess, you know, the memory ain't that great. But yeah, I've known her since I was a child. Yeah, the lady who I was talking to next to the girl that watches the vlogs. Anyways, yeah, I'm going to get a few items for River. I'm still gonna go and get some bibs, some more bibs. Yeah, we're here in TK Maxx. Well, that's the one thing I realized, because River is eating his hands like crazy, right? He's chewing on him. You take out this hand, the next hand, and he's like, and the spit and the drool, and so he using bibs like crazy. At one point, I remember we could have just have one bib for the whole day. No spit up, no vomit, no nothing. But now, as he's getting older, he's 4 months old now, guys. Yeah, River is 4 months old now. We have a big baby boy. So yeah, I'm gonna try and get some more bibs. So we gotta triple up on bibs. Yeah, and then after that, I guess we're gonna go and get ShéKayla. So I'll talk to you guys after. All right. Guys, we're actually here parked up. ShéKayla, believe it or not, it's been several hours later and ShéKayla's hair is still getting combed. Still. You remember I told you guys that I wanted us to check out the park to go for a nice walk as well, but that didn't work out either. So we're just here parked up. We just had some food and River is there with his daddy. River, say hi, baby. Y'all look alike. Woo, check out that. Y'all look alike. Let me take a little quick picture, babe. Look at the cam. That's a nice shot. Anywho, I have something for Sean. What y'all think I have for Sean? Sean, what do you think I have to give you?
Something good.
Like what?
I don't know.
Sean, you don't feel empty right now? You don't feel naked?
You want a ring?
Sean, where's your ring, Sean? Lift up your finger. Lift up your hand, Sean. Where your ring finger is?
Hey, don't.
River, that's not the purpose of this. Guys, look at Sean. Like, we're not wearing your ring, Sean?
Because I'm single on the weekends.
Look at Sean ring, yeah.
It's Saturday.
Look at Sean ring. Sean decided not to wear his ring. And he didn't even notice that he was not wearing his ring. It's like it's comfortable for him not to have the ring on. It should be uncomfortable because you always wear it. So why all of a sudden now you don't have it on today and today's Saturday?
It's the weekend. Single on the weekend.
Hold up your hand. Now take it off again. Thank you very much. Don't play with me. I brought it right today. I was like, I was supposed to ask Sean, like, Sean, where's your ring at? And I brought it with me, and because I was gonna see if he's gonna even realize that he don't have the ring. And I didn't notice. You didn't notice?
I don't remember.
If I don't have my ring, y'all, I feel naked. Something, I just feel incomplete.
Hold on. The person who takes it off every single day.
Yeah, because it depends on what I'm doing, Sean. I don't bathe in it. I don't sleep in it. Because remember, your ring flat. This ring here, the diamond that's poking up, I can't sleep in it because I sleep sometimes on my hand. And I don't want it to like dig River either, like when I'm feeding him at night. Right, Rivy?
Don't blame nothing on River.
Give mommy kissy.
Do not blame it on River. Don't blame anything on River.
Sean, it's true. It's true.
Listen. That ring, sometimes I see it on the microwave, on the kitchen counter.
Sean, because but I know where it is.
On the living room couch, on the bedside table.
But I know
multiple times a day.
But I know where it is. Listen, if I'm in the kitchen, depending, like if I'm cleaning meat or if I'm gonna wash the dishes, stuff like that, I don't keep the ring on because the soap scum, when it, like, okay, you see how my rings are? Like if you take it off underneath, it's so easy for like soap scum to build up, and I don't want soap scum to build up under there, and then I just don't want it to mess up. Anyway. So I take it off. And I don't want it to slip off my fingernail.
Anyway, you know, as long as the people understand why I wasn't wearing my ring, they need to understand. Hello, hey, hello.
River smiling. River is smiling.
Calm down.
What?
As long as the people understand why I wasn't wearing my ring.
Why wasn't you wearing your ring? Because you're single and today's Saturday and you don't want to wear a ring on the weekend? River, this is not a smiling matter right now. Huh? Wait, what was the reason?
You know the reason why
Did
I
you-
wasn't wearing my
But
ring.
today's Saturday. I know why you didn't have it on yesterday.
And the day before, and the day before, and
But
the day
today's
before.
Saturday. He was unable to wear his ring this week due to some what I call it? What's the word I'm looking for, Sean? Extensive activity?
I don't know what
Extensive
it-
is not a
I
word.
don't know what word you're looking for.
Extensive? Anywho, he couldn't wear it this week. And it's like, because he get the little pass, but he couldn't wear it. Due to the activities that he was doing throughout the day, he couldn't wear it. But today's Saturday, you should have slipped it back. And he ain't even put it back on at night. Sean don't normally like go to bed without his ring on. So I notice you come home and you don't even put it on either. Like he get comfortable. You know?
So hold on.
Like he was looking forward to this activity as an excuse to not wear this ring.
Your ring come off of your finger more than I can probably count on my on this hand the amount of time this ring ever leave my hand.
That's why it's suspicious as to why
Yeah.
you're so comfortable with it
When
off
I
even on a Saturday.
when I take the ring off, you see the mark down in my skin. It's like it's changed color.
So I don't
around
have
where
a
the
mark?
ring is.
I have a mark?
Yeah, but it's like black and it's like bruised around it, you know. What yours your mark? I have a mark, you don't have no mark. But yeah, this ring doesn't come off of my finger really. However, it's back on people. I'm no longer single and this day.
Don't play with me. Oh, coach, you're comfortable.
So move. Boy. I'm not saying no.
Sure. My head's still hurting me, my baby. Believe that? Oh my gosh. I hope Kayla finish on time. I mean, I think this is gonna be it for the vlog. No, this is not gonna be it because I still need to show you guys ShéKayla's here. So we're probably gonna wait. Go get ShéKayla. Oh, it's clearer here, huh? I'll probably pick it back up when I get ShéKayla. Rivi, say hi, guys. Yeah, when I feed River, nothing could have taken him off of his boobies. No, every little sound and it body passing, River is like coming off and he's like looking around, getting real inquisitive, y'all. I think he's teething as well. What month did they teeth? Because he's chewing up our fingers and everything like crazy. Even biting me on my boobie. Anyways, I'll come back to you guys when I get ShéKayla so I can show you guys her hairstyle. Alright? Hopefully she'll be finished soon. It's 7 p.m. right now. So guys, we're at home and as promised, I'm showing you guys ShéKayla's hair. Fix your face, girlfriend. You can't be my model now. She normally do her hair the same, y'all. This time she got nice curly ends and stuff like that. Turn around. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Stretch your stuff. Baby, you got it. Yes, so anyhow, that is ShéKayla's hair. Y'all know ShéKayla ain't into my madness. She always like, But yeah, that's her hairstyle, y'all. And the vlog ends here. So thank you guys so much for being here. Hope you guys enjoyed the little video. You understand? And I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Take care.